If you want to see how I got this to look like this, then just keep on watching. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning underneath my kitchen sink. As you guys can see, it is a complete disaster. So let's tackle our cleaning together. So the first thing that I'm going to do is remove everything from underneath the sink. I have so much under here. Now I'm gonna use the Mr. Clean Freak, and I'm just gonna spray it and just let it soak for a little bit so that way it can work its magic while I refill this soap dispenser. So now I'm going to line the bottom of the cabinet with this liner that I found at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to measure it out and then I'm going to stick it to the bottom of the cabinet. And this is just going to make this space look so much cleaner, because as you guys could see, there were still some stains after I cleaned. So I'm just going to use this to make it look better. So I'm going to take this time to welcome you to my channel if you're new. Hello, my name is Angela and I make videos on mommy life. I do cleaning motivational videos along with vlogs and hauls, and I am so glad that you stopped by. If you enjoy watching videos like this, I would love for you to subscribe. And if you are not new here and you are returning back, thank you guys for the support. I really appreciate each and every one of you. You guys, look at how nice this came out. I love it. So now it's time to start organizing everything. So everything that I'm using for this little project I got at the Dollar Tree, you guys. So this is really affordable and something that you can do without having to spend so much money. So as you guys can see, I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna place everything, and so I'm moving everything back and forth, trying to figure out a really good way to make it work for the space that I have and for the things that I have. So I finally figured out how I'm gonna lay everything out, and now I'm just gonna start filling all these bins with the different products that I usually keep underneath the sink. So I started by placing stuff that I don't really use in the very back. I don't know if you guys can see or if you guys could tell, but that's what I did with that. And now I'm refilling this jar, or not refilling it, but filling it with these little dishwasher pods. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm just going to organize the rest of my cleaning products and whatever other knickknacks that I have underneath the sink. And I am finally done. Yay! Look at how great this came out. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up and let me know what area in your house you want to tidy up.